Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix JBL Soundbar remote not responding, reset, pairing and IR sensor fix. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Remove the old batteries from the remote, then insert fresh batteries matching the plus and minus symbol. Make sure the battery cover is closed properly, then test the remote again. Second one is reset the soundbar. Turn off the soundbar, unplug it from the power outlet, then wait for 1 minute. Plug it back in and turn it on. Try using the remote again. Third one is check the IR sensor. Find the IR sensor on the front of the soundbar, then wipe the sensor gently with a soft cloth. Remove any object blocking the sensor. Point the remote directly at the soundbar and test it. Fourth one is repair the remote. Turn on the soundbar using the power button on the soundbar. Then press and hold the play, pause and previous track button on the remote together for 5 seconds. Press any button on the remote, then press the volume plus button. Wait a few seconds for the remote to pair with the soundbar. Test the remote to make sure it is working. Thanks for watching.